Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the best Oris watches based on specifications. I included all the links in the video description below. But first, subscribe and hit the bell. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 6. Oris Carl Brashear Caliber 401 5-day power reserve, limited edition, bronze, dark blue, dial watch, 01 401 7764 3185. Set. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 mm. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special features, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement, caliber 401. Automatic self-wind. Water-resistant depth, 200 meters. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp buckle. Number 5. Oris Carry Fort Reef Limited Edition. Bezel material, ceramic. Bezel function, rotating. Bezel, calendar date. Special features, limited edition of 50. Movement, Oris Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth, 300 meters. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp buckle. Case material, yellow gold. Case diameter, 43.5 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band color, blue. Dial color, radiant blue. Number 4. Oris Big Crown Pro Pilot Altimeter Riga Limited Edition Watch. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Round case shape. Case size, 47 millimeters. Case thickness, 18 millimeters. Bandwidth, 23 millimeters. Fold over clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters or 330 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, and second. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel bracelet. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. Oris Caliber 733 automatic movement. Number 3. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Case thickness, 8 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, green. Calendar, date. Special features, screw-down crown. Mineral glass, exhibition caseback. 38-hour power reserve. Luminous. Swiss made. Item weight, 250 grams. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water resistance depth, 50 meters. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp type, tang buckle. Case material, bronze. Number 2. Oris Artelier Skeleton Automatic Steel and Gold Tone Watch. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Skeleton transparent exhibition see-through caseback. Case size, 40 millimeters. Case thickness, 10.7 millimeters. Round case shape. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistance at 50 meters or 165 feet. Functions, hour, minute, and second. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel bracelet. Fixed silver tone stainless steel bezel. Silver skeleton dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands. Number 1. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial Watch. scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, transparent case back, round case shape, case size 43.5 millimeters, case thickness 12.6 millimeters, push button deploy and clasp. Water resistant at 300 meters or 1,000 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, and second. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Gray dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position.